Okay, we are starting with the meaning. First one, flavor, taste. What is the meaning of flavor? Taste, right? Now let's move to the second one. Second one, capture. Capture means to get. Capture means to get. Third one, cunning. Cunning means clever and dishonest. Cunning means clever and dishonest, right? So we have only 3 meanings in the lesson number 1. Let's move to tick right the correct option. Ali was a poor man. Ali was a poor man. Second one, he wanted some soup to have with his bread. Second one, he wanted some soup to have with his bread. The innkeeper demanded payment for Ali had smelt his soup. The innkeeper demanded payment because Ali had smelt his soup. Fourth one, Hoja was a judge. Hoja was a judge. Okay, cross out the wrong word. First one, judge, court, law, bread. So, what is different in that? Bread, yes. Summer, morning, winter, spring. All these are season. Only morning is not the correct word. It's an odd word. So, morning. Crow, butterfly, cat, sparrow. Rest all are bird and cat is an animal. Boy, baby, girl, kite. Rest all are human beings. Only kite is a non-living thing. Sad, pleased, happy, delight. Okay, all are in good mood. Only sad. Okay, so sad is the wrong odd one. Okay, let's start with the second exercise. Fill in the blanks with the word from the box to express your feeling. When no one plays with you. When no one plays with you, what do you feel? Lonely, right? Your best friend is sick. When your friend is not feeling well, what you feel? Sad. You go to an amusement park. When your daddy is taking you to amusement park, what you feel? Excited. Okay, what we are going to do there? So you are going to feel excited. You hear a thunder. When you hear the thunder, what you will feel? You will get scared. You hear a thunder, scared. Your sister wins a prize. When your sister will win a prize, what you will feel? Proud. You make a mistake. Then what you are? Silly. If you make a mistake, you are silly, right? Now let's move to another exercise. That is on page number 10. Okay, circle the correct word in each of the sentence. This is a great story. Both the words can be pronounced as great only, but G-R-E-A-T is a correct word, right? G-R-E-A-T. Great is a correct word. May I have some soup? Some, S-O-M-E, some is correct. S-O-M-E, some is correct. Please keep those clothes in that cupboard. Both are pronounced at in, but I and in is correct. I caught a cold last night. Caught. Both are pronounced as correct, but C-A-U-G-H-T is correct. The boys were asked to wait. W-A-I-T. Wait is the correct word for their turn. Where have you kept my doll? W-H-E-R-E. Where is the correct word? Now let's do the match the following. Ali was feeling hungry. Ali was feeling hungry. He was dreaming about eating a hot meal. Eating a hot meal. The market was crowded and busy. A stranger gave Ali a loaf of bread. Ali was very happy. He wished that he could get some soup with his bread. Okay, let's revise the question answers. Okay, what did Ali do when the innkeeper told him to move along? When the innkeeper told Ali to move along, he was trying to capture the flavor of soup from the steam. I repeat the answer. When the innkeeper asked Ali to move along, he was trying to capture the flavor of soup from the steam. Second one. Why did the innkeeper drag Ali to the court? The innkeeper wanted Ali to pay him for the smell of his soup, so he dragged him to court. I am repeating. The innkeeper wanted Ali to pay him for the smell of his soup, so he dragged him to the court. Third one. What payment did Hodja decide that the innkeeper should receive? Okay, Hodja decided that innkeeper should receive the sound of a coin in exchange for the smell of the soup. What did he decided? The Hodja decided innkeeper should receive the sound of the coin in exchange for the smell of the soup. Okay. So children, this is all for today. See you tomorrow with lesson number 2. Till then, goodbye.